Beach Day. It's a Max and Ruby book. Summer's almost over. Let's read about Beach Day. Max and Ruby are at the beach. Grandma is there too. Ruby wants to build a sandcastle. Max helps. He digs in the sand with his truck. Max is hot. He wants to swim. Ruby says he can swim later. Ruby puts sand in a bucket. Then she turns the bucket over. That is how to make a tower. Now Ruby needs shells. She gives Max a bucket. Max takes the bucket. He looks for shells. Max goes in the water with Grandma. Max does not find shells. He finds seaweed and a feather. Yuck! Ruby does not like what Max brought. Wait! The seaweed looks like grass. The feather looks like a flag. Good job, Max. There is more work to do. The sandcastle needs a bridge. But Max wants to cool off in the water. Ruby tells Max to look for a bridge. Max looks in the water. He finds some wood. The bridge is perfect, but the sandcastle still needs shells. Ruby looks for shells with Grandma. Max keeps digging in the sand. Oh no, the waves are getting big. The waves will ruin the castle. But Max dug in the sand. He made a moat. The moat keeps the water away from the castle. The moat saved the castle. Way to go, Max. And that was Max and Ruby's Beach Day. The end.